Welcome back to Running Joe Off-Road Extreme Mudfest Edition, Part 3. This one is going to be featuring the CMRO. If you didn't notice the little teaser intro, I went a little bit longer, added some audio, kept some of the Outlaw Top Truck. I'm just trying to capture some more audience, guys. So I'm going to get straight to it. We're going to be showing all the mud drags that I filmed, all of the... There's not really mud drags per se, dry land racing, I guess is what it would be called. Anyway, so we're going to show all of that footage. It's going to have a lot of neat random video. I'm going to try and snip them down as short as I can, guys. There was a lot of racing going on, and it's going to take me a little bit. This is going to be a little late today, as you've noticed. So I promised a Saturday morning release. Likely it's going to be a Saturday early afternoon. Anyways, take care and enjoy.
Supercharged 565. This is the first weekend out for that week, I believe. 1471 Larsson Handoff. This will be the only paddle tire car you'll see in the mud this weekend.
So be interesting. Meanwhile, Groot lining up. And beside Groot, we got Pierre Simone, Sammy. The name of this hot rod, I believe it is. And it is a 2004 Toyota Tacoma. With a 350 Chevy under the hood. Looks like 388 says. Now that is making no sense.
This Toyota, guys.
So a Toyota versus a big old Dodge running 8 tires. That's what you can run in this class, the open mud class. That's a 4-man.
He didn't even get his windshield dirty.
Diesel here. That is Stephanie Nelson and Rick Hoffman. GMC. The Coopers. Hot Rod Turbocharged Ford 390.
Stephanie on the throttle with that.
Have a look at the mud pits. Rick Hoffman in Brutus. Big old Duramax Chevy with 8 tires on it. In the other side, we got the Hillbilly Deluxe Paul Gagne. T1500 Casper Special, he calls this 350 powered Chevy. We'll see what Brutus can do here with a Duramax diesel. Against that 350 Chevy. The name of that hot rod. Another Duramax diesel. So we got a 72 Chevy with the Duramax and an 85 Chevy with the Duramax. Rick Hoffman in the south lane, Gordon Kurskavich in the north lane. Both Duramax diesels. special. Major overall equipment and repair. He is the hard Perrot in the South Lane. A 3D3 Chevy Toyota called My Dirty Obsession. That little 3D3 stroker. Hard's problem is that little Chevy or Toyota is too narrow, and he has trouble staying in the tracks. The other guy, Sean John D. The other lead, Mud Lovin'. We saw Sean in the shootout. He won the shootout.
He's the winner. He beat up on a Ford that had an axle.
Ford by Ford. We were told that last Ford. The Barrett's Ford, he just got this thing bolted back together. He took a sabbatical here. He got married. He's got 2 in his family now besides his wife. And Barrett finally got this a 350 deep again. There we go, Chevy versus Ford. Driving the redneck crazy, 83 Chevy to 454.
And the sun is shining.
So there, that's going off the mud turned into a dragster.
You guys are there for the night? Yeah, we're going back.
Can't even hear that thing.
Except it was all
Well, the Toyota Ram at Mr. Nest seems to be having an issue. So you can see how these two chassis are built, no body on there, save some weight, some time, some effort.
There we go, damn it!
grabbing gears like crazy.
Forever. And Steve is one of the guys trying to knock him off his perch here. So number 1 in that heat goes to Will Moxon with a 3.24. Number 2, Stevie Sterling with a Beeline 3.
What's the diesel class now?
Still driving.
Well guys, that is the end of the CMRO mud drags with vehicles and the dry line. On deck is I've got some lawnmower racing that's going to get its own dedicated video. It's going to be about 10 minutes long. I'm going to have a little bit of quad mud drags, and then I also have some tough trucks. I'm just going to try and filter through some of the content, spice it up a little bit, but I give you all of the CMRO vehicle drag racing in its whole, other than I shorten them up, and then finished off with the dry land. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a like, subscribe, and I hope we will see you soon. And if you want to see something different, let me know in the comments below. I'm working on lots of things right now. Celica video in the works. I've got Rex's stuff coming up. Yeah, I hope we can keep this on the roll. Thanks, guys.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't